Hello everyone. Hope everything's working all good. Yeah. So I'm currently on a very slow computer. Yeah, it works. Okay, cool then. Yeah, so the computer that I'm currently on does not handle things very well. So I'm gonna have to stream this in a low bit rate, so it's gonna look quite awful. I'm just gonna say some things before the stream starts. It's currently, the clock on the bottom right of the computer is wrong. It is like nearly 1 a.m. in Romania right now. The entire family's sleeping, but the show must still go on, so I want to do some programming, because stupidly I had caffeine. I don't know why, I just didn't think. So I've got too much energy to sleep, so I'm just gonna be doing this. I'm most likely gonna get no viewers on this stream, which is fine. I'm not expecting anyone, because in England it's still late as well. Yeah, look at that 30 FPS. But yeah, if someone comes, cool. If someone doesn't come, that's still cool. What I'm trying to do today is, I've already started a little project which I want to do. Let me open it up. So it's I want to learn how APIs work in C++, because I know them in Python, but I'm trying to do it in C++. So yeah, so I want to make an app that gets live stock updates from a website such as Alpha Vantage. So I have an API key already. I'm not sure if I should show the stream, but I don't think it really matters, because I got it for free. So I got this API key, and I can access this JSON file, but I don't know how, because every time I look at documentation, it's really difficult. So all I've got is this so far. Let's see if it even works again. Okay, I left it exactly like this yesterday and it worked, so I don't know what on earth is going on right now. Actually, yeah, it didn't work, my bad. It's because of where is it? Put that and this. So HTTP lib. I tried to use that yesterday by myself. It didn't work. So it's gonna run now. We got this. Livestock's updated version 1. I just wanna have a really simple app, simple UI that just shows. It gives them a drop down menu and allows them to choose different stocks or cryptocurrencies, whatever, like Bitcoin for example, and it shows them maybe a graph and the current price on it, current price on the Bitcoin or whatever. Like, I know this app's useless, but obviously I'm just trying to learn how stuff works. I can't believe it. We got a viewer. The stream current bitrate is lower than the recommended bitrate. YouTube, thank you for the warning, but I cannot do more than what I currently am. So, hello Arturo Gutierrez, my friend. Where am I in Romania? I'm currently in Transylvania. I'm in a very small village, so I cannot disclose my location because I will definitely get found by my viewers. So all you can know currently is that I'm in Transylvania. Let's see if my mic's still working. So I got this API key and I can access. So I got this API key. Awesome, I just love that place. You love Romania? Very interesting. What do you love about Romania? I gotta ask, I'm intrigued, man. Like, made this function, but I'm not sure what it returns yet, so I just put it as void. And I just wanna call this in here, and then it will just draw the JSON file, but in a nicely formatted way, really. I don't know how to get the JSON file though, because whatever ChatGPT gave me was really sucky. How to get the JSON file? Okay. Also, tell me if the stream is awful. I mean, it currently looks awful. That's 720p. Let's see. If I put it 1080p, will the stream die? Yeah? No, it looks fine. Okay, I'll put it down there. Please tell me if the quality is bad. I mean, there's nothing I can do about it. But, yeah. Okay. Oh my lord. So, yeah. It tells you how to do it in Python, which is not currently very useful for me, because I'm obviously not on Python. Moki, yes, I'm on a mini PC. I'm on a separate computer, Moki. That computer is in England, I'm in Romania currently. So, I'm making use with what I have. So, let's just search up random query then. How to access what even is it? I mean, it's a JSON file, but it's not really a file. Like, what is this link? Is just that? No. Well, let's get my API key, and I can chuck it in there somewhere. Gosh, that quality is bad. Okay, if I put the API key there, alright, let's see if this works. Okay, seems like it did nothing. Right, I'm not sure if this is working. No, that's not doing anything. I'm not really sure how the parameters work. I mean, before I can put it in my C++ program, I need to figure out how it works in the first place. So I guess how to just use APIs in Python, really. Let's see. That is so light. That is so light, man. Yeah, I can't sleep. I should change that clock. It's really incorrect. That is incorrect, my friend. Let's change that real quick because it's annoying me. Chisinau. Bucharest. That's crazy. Right, it should be right. That's it. That's the correct time zone. I mean, yeah. All good now. Arturo, have you got any reasons why you love Romania? I'm still interested, you know. I'm just wondering, where do you get that header file from? And this code is crazy to me. Like, what the hell? What is that? That's insane. I did a bit of research beforehand, but couldn't find anything simple, because in simple all you do is import requests. You can't really do that in this language. It's a bit difficult. I'm just gonna ask this guy. I want to That's not what I wanted. That is so light. That is so bright, man. But yeah. Let's see. So core stocks API. The API returns raw as traded daily time series of the global equity specified, covering 20 plus years of historical data. So I have the API, but how? How do I use it? Yeah, I'll do the London Stock Exchange. Yeah. So let's see if we've got any good companies here. Oh, that actually this seems pretty bad. I think it only shows one company. Well, the London Stock Exchange, really. Right. Well, I wanna be able to get a specific stock or ETF like S&P 500, Vanguard, accumulating. I don't think this website provides that though. I do want to play some music, by the way, but I don't think this computer can support it. So IBM, that's fine. I'm happy with that. Okay, pretty limited data, but it'll be fine. So we'll copy this. Right. Boom. Bro, I said in C++. You see how short it is in Python? Now, what on earth is this, bruv? What the fuck? What the fuck? What is this? So avoid pointer contents. I don't even understand that. Why are we using avoid pointer? How are you going to learn with ChatGPT? ChatGPT does have a learning, where is it? Study and learn feature. Teach me how this works. Instead of giving me the answer. Thank you for that. I actually needed reminding. But I've done research before the stream and I just couldn't find anything of how any of this works. So this might be a good solution. If you following around the web browser, what kind of data do you see? What format? Alright, now this is good. It's giving me questions. It opens a JSON file. Well, Obviously it's formatted as JSON. Okay, oh my days. Get flashbanged every time. So the API is just a web URL that returns JSON data instead of web page. That means in C++, our job breaks into 3 smaller tasks. Send a web request to the URL, receive the JSON text, and pass it. Alright then. C++ by itself can't make web requests, that's why you use a library such as libcurl. Question, have you used any C++ libraries before? No. Let's treat this as your first time linking an external library. Well, I know what a library is, but sudo apt umeln. I'm on Windows umeln. I don't think you guys can even read what the text says. Let's put that to 1080p. This might crash the stream for a minute, but it's fine. No, you guys can read it. Cool. Gosh, starting late today, Gabe. Yeah. You think it's late for you, look at what time it is for me. It's 1 AM. I mean, 11 PM is still pretty late in England, to be fair. I mean, I'm just streaming whenever I can, really. So if people want to join, they can. If they don't have time, if they're sleeping, then too bad. Come tomorrow. All right. Let's handle it the Windows way. He says that with despair. So we can use VC package, Microsoft Package Manager for C++ libraries. If you don't already have it, install it using PowerShell. I do not have it, thank you. So let's do this then. So I still don't know the difference between PowerShell and just normal CMD. I think there is it's something to do with forwarding files, forwarding directories. PowerShell can't forward directories, if I heard correctly. Alright, we'll see. So I should probably put this in here. So just put that there. Oh wait, no. Oh shit, I didn't mean to put it there. Actually wait, no, it's fine. It's fine, yeah, I'll leave it there. Bro, what? What do you mean Git? Bro, what do you mean Git isn't installed? Oh my god. I don't think I have enough bandwidth to download this while streaming. Git for Windows. Oh, I think this one's 62. What's the difference between this one and this one? Actually, I don't think there is a difference. Cool. We'll leave it the same then. While that's downloading, I'll read the chat. Mihail, oh, Windows. I agree with you, but there is nothing I can do about it because this mini PC cannot handle Arch. So, yeah. Winget install id git.git e source winget. My brother in Christ. I wish I could understand what that meant. I'll just do it this way, it's fine. I mean, if it will load. Probably won't though. Oh shit. Alright. Yes. Git on to manage large scale. No, we're not doing that. Large file support. I mean, we don't. Git bash. I don't need git bash or git UI. I mean, maybe Git GUI, but it'll be that. Oh, I'll just leave it as default, don't want to mess anything up. Use Vim. I mean, I use NeoVim on Arch in my main PC. But this Vim would be like bland Vim, which would be kind of annoying, so. Use WordPad. Oh my. You know, we'll leave it as Vim. Let's just do that then. This uses external SSH, Git will not install it on open, blah blah blah. I think I should use the OpenSSL library, because the thing that I'm trying to do in my code, I did at some point have SSL, CHTTP OpenSSL support. So I think, so if I run this, then it's going to give me an error message. It's going to talk about OpenSSL needing to be a certain version. So I think this might fix it. You're not going to run. I think I clicked F5. Just give me the error so I can see what it is. Oh, it ran. What? What? Why did it run? That's not supposed to happen. That is not supposed to happen. I'm just going to leave everything default then, apparently. Alright, we should be good then. Okay, well, it's not installed yet, mate. Give me a second. 2 messages left. Fuck. Cool. So now I get PowerShell. Actually, I already have it. So let's just that's not gonna work. Alright then, so just put that there. Oh, come on, man. Okay, good. I just had to restart it. All good, man. All good. What a flashbang. I know, right, man. I think the stream's delayed, man. I think it is. It shouldn't be. Wow, my my PC is so bad. Let's put this back up to 1080p. Oh, that's actually decent quality, to be fair. Right, then let's turn you off. Right, while this installs, let us be productive. How can I keep the chat entertained? Okay. Next we got CD bubble, and then we got bootstrap. Boom. Okay, we're all good. So install libcal. Well, what kind of key is that, mate? Oh fuck, my keyboard's messed up. My keyboard layout's broken. Alright then. Oh, right. If I change the keyboard layout, it's gonna make me restart my computer or log out or something, which will break the stream, so let's not do that. I'll just do it the manual way. Yeah. This tells Visual Studio that it automatically include or detect libraries that you install with VC package, no manual linking required. Now that is really good. That is really good. If you're using Visual Code G++, you'll need to link manually. Cool, man. Right. Right, mate. I cannot get over this stream quality. It is so bad. Maybe it's because I'm downloading something. The bitrate's low. Maybe it's because I'm downloading something. I think my computer can support a little bit of a higher bitrate. So I might actually do that now. Because I mean 2.5 thousand kilobits is disgusting. So let's try that. Hopefully it updates straight away. Let's see, does it? Right, I put it to 5,000 kilobits per second. I'm not sure if it's gonna update though. Alright, if it doesn't, it doesn't. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Nah. Why is this taking forever? Why is this taking forever? Oh, okay, that's it. If you look at it, it goes faster. If you ignore it, it goes slower. How is everyone in the chat? You all had a nice day? Watch no one respond to me. That would be quite funny. We've got 3 cards in a row. Stop learning. What does that say? I can't read that message. Stop learning back. Stop leaning back. You're disappearing in the cubes of the compression. Wait, can you not see me if I lean back? That's crazy. I'm gonna test out this theory. That's crazy. I have fallen into the void, man. My brother. I cannot check Discord on this computer. I can check it on my phone, but definitely not on this computer. The CPU does not exist yet. Oh, what's going on here? My Discord notifications do not work. I'll just check it out now. Oh, finally, it's fucking done. Let's put that in there. Okay, and it's done. CMake projects should use. Oh, but I'm not doing CMake project. You absolute melon. Oh, why there's so many messages on Discord when I went looking? Wait, so do you want me to check memes? Peak Romanian internet. No, Romanian internet is actually really good, man. I think it's top 5 in Europe, something like that. Just my computer sucks. I mean, have you seen the size of it? Have you seen like it? If you go on the channel, I actually made a review on this specific mini PC. You can see the specs and how bad it is. Nice meme though. Yeah, I'm not gonna bother upgrading this PC. I mean, with what's that? Finally bitrate. Is it actually? Is it fixed? No, it's not. Bria lying. It says I'm still giving out to 2,700 kilobytes. Alright. It fixed for 20 seconds. Better than nothing. VS. Yeah, it went back to cubes. I wouldn't expect it to be good. So you don't need CMake, okay. I think I'll zoom in. If I zoom in, it will make everything easier. So I don't need HTTP lib anymore. Let's put curl there. And then I'll do this. Why isn't it working? It does not work. Romania is 11th and Macedonia is 104th in median download speed. Thanks for the info about Macedonia. At some point, I don't know how many years ago, Romania was like first place in Europe, at least. So this is not, it's not finding the source file. I swear I did that. Oh, wait a second. Maybe it needs to bloody hell. Maybe it needs to restart. So let's just do that real quick. What CMake project should use? Boom, boom, boom. If you're using CMake projects, you'd need to add this. Ah, okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Alright. So we've got Visual Studio up now. Let's make a test program, see if it works. Oh, no, it doesn't. Fuck. You know, it can't even. It's fixed. Can you inform me why is it fixed? Probably just because it needed a restart, to be fair, bluff. So let's do this. Boom. Okay, and it works. Nice. Let's give this a little test. Fuck. Oh. Bomboclat. Don't work. Now the problem is because I just put in a image, it's gonna put this into like plus mode or super mode of the GPT, and after like 5 messages, it's gonna delete my chat, or it's gonna stop me from messaging more. And ChatGPT died. What is going on? Am I still streaming? Did my computer finally give up? I think my computer finally gave up. Yeah. I think it gave up. No? No, it didn't? The bitrate is still off. No available models. Bruh. That doesn't work. Okay. Alright then, calm down. Oh, keep your pants on, mate. Right. Close window, you cannot overload the function of externcy. Let's just write that. So, I already forgot what the error message was. Let's go back. So, close window. Close window. You cannot overload a function. Cannot overload a function with externcy. The error is related to libcurl that comes from mixing C++ with externcy. Tells the compiler, don't mangle function names. Let's put that bit like that so the chat can see. Well, I don't use C, so remove externcy if you don't. I don't fucking have externcy. Rename the functions. Blood. Ah, yes, from Raylib. You smart robot. You're smart. How did you know it was from Raylib? I didn't even tell you that. You absolute melon. Absolute melon, mate. Nah. So let us just do that real quick. And then this should work. This should work. Okay, it worked. Libcurl version, boom, boom, boom. It works. Good. Now we have a separate issue. Lib, whatever the hell, Raylib, does not like working with, together with curl.h. So why are you, okay. What do you mean not, hashtag is not expected to be there, you're crazy, man. So, I might as well put the URL in there. So yeah, we don't need that anymore. Run again, see if it works. Oh, what? Bruv. If you want multiple ways to close a window, write Raylib calls in your own C++ functions. I'm not trying to overload anything, bruv. You melon. Close window is the original Raylib function. Yes. My back hurts. So libcurl doesn't automatically store the response in a string. We need the right callback. Okay. So that's what this does. It stores it in a string. It stores the JSON file into a string. Bro, I don't know how on earth we got 5 years with this crappy quality, but whatever. So curl.h iostring and string it. Do we need JSON? I'm not sure if we need that, so I'm going to comment that out for a second. comments are so overpowered, bro. So, I mean, I might as well just put it there. So, what did it want me to do? You know what, maybe there's a problem with this. No, okay, so that's really bad. This is really bad. It doesn't like having curl and raylib in the same project. So yeah, that is really bad. That is really bad. So raylib and curl, they have existing functions which are like overwriting each other. Hello Mr. B, how are you doing? How are you doing, mate? You had a nice day? Yeah, so my suspicions were correct. One of them can work at a time, but not both at the same time. So what I might do is put these includes in separate. Actually, that wouldn't work. Maybe I'll have a project for displaying the GUI with raylib, and then another project for getting this API stuff, just to test my theory again. Oh my god. This is so bad. This is so bad. The stream just crashed. Anyway, Mr. B, you had a fun time leak coding. I'm very glad, man. I wish I could be like you. Just hop on leak code and have a good time. I don't have the ability to do that yet, but one day I will. So yeah, I'll just ask you real quick. So I can't use raylib and curl in the same project. I'm not trying to overload anything, man. You can also wrap. Yeah, the thing is, this won't work, so I don't know why ChatGPT is lying to me. Absolute liar. I mean, we'll see. Let's see if it works. So it won't, though. It won't. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. Oh no, can I not? Oh, you're telling me I can't comment all of this? Wow. You melon. Oh, fuck's sake. Okay. Now, I have a bet that this isn't gonna work yet. Wait, what? Wait, raylib? What do you mean raylib's broken? What? Oh, I know why. Okay, that will fix it. Yeah, that's what I thought, bruv. That's what I thought. What? Yeah, I was right. Right, that's it. He doesn't even care. Alright. Make sure both libraries use the same runtime library. How? How? Oh, damn it. The more you force ChatGPT to fix his mistake, the worse it's gonna get. Yeah. Well, I already have a solution for what I want to do. I just wanted to tell ChatGPT off because it's clearly stupid. But I already know what I want to do to fix it. You have to be nice with it, with please and thank you. Is this good enough? And also that spacebar is clinging for its life. The spacebar doesn't even work, man. I wish I could show you. I mean, I think I can. Currently, the spacebar is not. It's not even like a thing right now. It's not. That does not look good. That's it. It is barely hanging on there. Right, it only, if I press it here, it doesn't do anything. It only works if I press it from the middle. So, that's the setup I'm currently working with. It is what it is. Actual life simple. I could have bought another one today. I mean, I bought an RGB mouse from the Chinese store, but the keyboard works, so I'm not gonna buy another keyboard. I had to buy a mouse because I actually didn't have one. What made you want to learn C++? I should turn that off. Bruh, turn the light off, man. What made you want to learn C++? I had a premonition from God. He says I need to be the holy C postdecessor, whatever it's called. I need to make the second holy temple, man. Right, well, this thing's stupid, so I'm not using ChatGPT anymore. Right, so we'll just undo all of that. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. Actually, I'll just delete that. Oh, I'll comment it. Cause I'll put it on the next file. So why are you waffling? Oh, cause of that. Yeah, so I'll comment that out. Hopefully you guys can read this. I actually don't know if you can. Oh, with any other languages? Build the 4th temple. Or I'm building a 5th temple. Oh, with any other languages? I just like I like C++'s vast. What is it? It's just really powerful, and I like the low levelness of it. I like that it's really low level. No more cubes. Yeah, that's gonna change in a minute, buddy. That's gonna change in a minute. Don't get your hopes high. I already zoomed in quite a bit. I mean, if I zoom in anymore, it's not. Hopefully you can read that. I mean, hopefully. I don't want to spoil my viewers too much, you know what I mean? 1080p is the best resolution you're getting, 30 FPS. So, yeah, what was I doing? Oh yeah. So, let's just copy that. So we're returning size t, which I believe is an unsigned long, maybe, let's see. Size t, C++. I believe that's an unsigned long. Oh my god, I got flashbanged again. Sorry everyone for the flashbang. Unsigned integer, yeah, but which type? Bruh, come on. So it's an unsigned int. Yeah, but there's many ints. I've got a way of finding out. No worries if you're not gonna tell me. We can just click that. So, oh, what the hell? Oh, what? Right. So, type diff unsigned in 64. Right. Let's just X out of that real quick. Holy shit, that's Bing and Microsoft Edge. Pro's edging it. Guys, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Does anyone in the chat actually have any experience with what is it? Fuck, what is it? What am I even doing again? Oh, with APIs. I completely forgot what I was doing there. So, we're returning an unsigned long, because in 64 is long, right? I called write callback void contents. So I'm getting I think that's a null pointer or like void pointer with contents, but I'm not sure. Right, so that the contents that just leads to something. That's the memory address for the contents somehow. Unsigned long size of what? I don't know what the size is. Did you recover your Windows or is this a new install? This is a new computer, my friend. Craft ROM's in. This is a mini PC which I brought with me to Romania because I'm not bringing my whole ass setup from England. The Windows on the Arch PCs was just shout out, and that's correct. That Windows that I had in the previous live streams is completely gone. It's deleted. It's never been seen again, and it's a bit annoying. But we move on. I mean, hopefully this Arch thing will give me some opportunities and better experiences than Windows. Alright, so size T N memb. So I don't know what that means. And then we've got another void pointer. I don't know why wouldn't you just put the void pointer here to make it like consistent. User P. So user pointer. Wouldn't you put the P at the beginning if it's a pointer? I don't even know what the P stands for anyways. So string, we're making a string pointer. Size T, unsigned long, size times NB. Well, if we're just gonna do that, then why don't we just ask the user to make the calculation for us? Seems a bit weird. Hopefully that Arch thing will awaken the femboy inside of you. What do you mean hopefully? What do you mean by hopefully? You sicken me. That's sad, but Windows dying is like music to my ears. Yeah. Now it's completely fine, right? I was gonna move to Arch anyway, but the problem is I had documents there on my Windows which I can't recover. That's the only problem. What are you trying to build? Did I not write in the title? Oh, I'm such a melon. I swear I wrote it. No, I didn't write it in the title. Did I write it? I actually didn't write it anyway. I'm such a monkey. Right. Basically, what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to learn how APIs work. So, I have this website here, right? And I want to use my API, which I've gotten from it. And I don't care if you guys use my API. Literally, it doesn't matter. You can get it for free. I'm just trying to get this JSON file, like a daily JSON file. Every time the user opens the app, they get new data really from this website, and just get live information about Bitcoin or the stock market, a specific part of it. That's what I'm trying to do. Right. So callback function for libco, right? Libco doesn't automatically store the response in string, so we need a write callback. So this thing just stores the JSON in the string. So let me write that as a comment there. This basically stores the JSON response as a string. Beautiful. So write the callback. So we've got the callback. And I'm going to fetch the data. Curl equals curl easy init. Init, bruv. So if curl is true, so if it initialized correctly, then right, we make an empty string response. Curl easy set opt. I don't know what that means. Explain what the complex parts. My laptop, where was it? My keyboard's still on life support. Okay, now time to write your own CUDA kernels. I'll do that tomorrow, bro. Light work. I'll do that tomorrow. Right. Curl easy init. Initialize the curl handle. That's it. Think of it as creating a connection object for HTTP request, or returns a pointer that you can use in subsequent calls. Curl easy set opt tells libcurl which URL to request. Set opt. So, option flag. Okay. Third parameter is the actual value. So curl, that's the handle that we're using. Yep. And curl option URL is an optional flag, and the third parameter is the actual value, so the URL. So I thought optional parameters had to be on the last bit of the thing. Now it's time to learn how to display a dot in OpenGL. Oh my days. That's going to be end of me. You can cut his own response. You have a question on to ChatGPT by highlighting. Where you can highlight. Right. Thank you, Mr. B. I didn't know about that. Thank you. libcurl uses this internally when performing this request. Right, let's do that. Let's do this from the beginning then. Libcurl doesn't automatically restore the response in a string in a variable. This option sets the callback function that libcurl will call repeatedly as it receives data. Okay. Each time a chunk of data arrives from the server, writeback is invoked. So this is like a TCP thing. We make sure that all of the bytes are correctly handled. They're all received, so we haven't lost any packets, basically. And then this one passes a pointer to a variable here. It responds to the callback inside. Inside write callback, libcurl appends each chunk of data to response. This is why JSON ends up stored in a string instead of printed to the console. Okay, good. That's good, that's good. So curl easy perform, and then we get the handle to the curl initialization. This is the do the request call. Libcurl opens a connection, sends. I don't even know why I'm wearing headphones. I'm not even using it. Sends the request, receives the response, and triggers your callback repeatedly. Okay. Returns the status code, curl OK if everything went fine. Bet you'll forget about this till tomorrow. That's fine, mate. And it's not a problem at all if people forget. When it comes to programming, I do remember things quite nicely. If it interests me a lot, I can remember things very, very well. But I think this is a pretty useful library, so I might use it in real world sometimes. And then curl easy cleanup, curl again. Freeze memory, cleanup, okay. Freeze memory and resources used by the curl handle. Important to prevent memory leaks and data security. Okay. Yeah, actually, if you can draw me a diagram, that would be pretty nice. You guys can't hear it, but my PC is like blown up right now. It's struggling, man. It is struggling. So I'll have that here and you there. So I'll delete that. Boom. Okay. I'll just delete it, whatever. I don't think I need that right currently. So yeah. Wrapper for close window. Oh, I didn't see that before. Oh, that's crap. One sec. This what? So, what is this clanker camera? Original. Excuse me. Isn't it past your bedtime? Aren't you like 13 years old, mate? It's like 12 o'clock, bro. Check the memes channel in the Discord. It was worse before. I mean, I'll check the channel in a sec. Anyway, original, how are you doing? How you doing, man? Actually, I'll write it from scratch. I'll just get used to it. So, curl, boom, we're making a curl pointer, which I'm not sure what that is. Let's check this out. So, void curl, okay. So we have a type def for void. What? Original, yes. I mean, if the bit rate on the stream allows it, you can check the bottom right of the live stream and you can check it's 2 AM in Romania. So I am pretty tired, yeah. But this is the only time of the day where I can actually work, so because I'm pretty busy. So what's really confusing me now is that curl, it's just void. So what's the point of that? Just write void. And also this, it's quicker to type void than it is to type curl sh. Like, why no arch? My brother. Please read the title. I implore you to read the title. The title and description answers all of your questions. So, curl easy init. Right. So that initializes it, and you're illiterate. Too bad. Too bad, man. So this init function will give us a handle, and we'll store it in a void pointer curl. I don't know why. I think it would work if I just write void. I mean, same shit. Right. If curl, if the handle is true, if it's correct, then we'll allocate some memory for response. Alright. Boom. I'll initialize it as well because I know strings automatically initialize, but good habits in it. So curl easy set option. Right. Curl. So we pass in the handle. Curl option URL. So this is the what is it? Optional argument. So I think this means that we don't need to do anything here. Right, where is it? The full URL to get put. Okay, whatever. It's optional, that argument somehow. And then there it is. So the string. Yeah. We have the URL there, so I'll just pass it in. URL there. Right. Boom. but I think I'll give it the memory address. I'll pass it as reference. Original, what are you doing playing Turing Complete for almost 8 hours? Creating your own CPU with a graphics output. I mean, the guy's grinding, you know, like, leave him alone. I had a comment actually, I don't want to break anything, so maybe add boom to URL for efficiency later. Boom. So, curl easy set option. Then curl handle, and then curl option right function. So again, that's a optional parameter. Mihail explained C to someone who just learned Scratch while it ran in my background. Also, it is so hard to make these damn CPUs. I just wanted to dereference something and now I need to implement micro-ops. Bro, it sounds easy to me, I can't lie. I think you just have a skill issue. Right, callback. So that, yeah, every chunk we're gonna basically write it to a string every time. What's this? What do you mean it's unidentified? What the fuck? I did nothing. Ah, capital B. No, I didn't see that bit, did I? I didn't see that bit. Now it should be capital B. Why is it lowercase? You absolute melon. So it seems like ChatGPT is using camel case. Sorry, I meant to say Pascal case. But it didn't write this one correctly. This B, I don't even know if the stream can see it, but this B should be uppercase. Original, you need to humble yourself. My friend. Why is this? What? Why is this bracket there? I don't remember doing that. I don't remember doing that. This is so sketchy. What? Okay. So, we've got correct notation now. Y'all, I still think there are only 16 registers existing, while I know registers are just a feature of the imagination. Original, please continue. I will happily read your waffle all day long. Please continue. Curl easy. Set up. So. Curl option write data. So again, it's another optional data. And the response. That's it. So we need to give the address of it, the reference to it, the response variable, because it's going to continuously write to it. We don't want to create a new string every time. That would be really bad. Are we getting a good night's kiss today? Don't dodge my question. I can't give you the same challenge as last time because we don't even have 10 viewers in the stream. So I'll think about it. Since we've only got 2 active chatters, if we can get three people who will like vote, I'll make a poll at the end. If 3 people will vote, then I'll do it. So next, curl code res. Let's see what this is then. So never use. Melon, why is it even there then? Curl code. That means nothing. It just means nothing. What? Okay. It's just a code, I guess. So curl easy perform curl. Right. Perform. Let's see what does that mean again. So perform, do the request. So it actually does it. So it opens the connection, sends the request, receives the response, and triggers the callback. And returns stats curl OK if everyone okay. You and original can kiss yourselves if you want. If that'll make you feel better. And then wait, what? Back to this. If right. Res equals curl OK, then let's see what does that mean? Is that 0? Okay. Oh, so it's an enum. So yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then these are all errors that it would be. So that's pretty okay. You know what, the documentation actually works. Gabe learn 000. It will genuinely enlighten you to another plane of existence. Do you know what will enlighten you to another plane of existence? Psychedelics, my friend. Psychedelics. MDMA. Ayahuasca. Stuff like that, man. I mean, well, look. Technically, we can do 0, but we'll do okay res. So if it's not 0, then we failed. Cool. Curl easy string error res. Boom. Oh, we got more. String error. Okay. Oh, that's a long thing, man. Actually, it's not. Okay, then. This makes sense. It's starting to make sense. Did my internet explode or did Gabe explode? It was me. Yeah, it was you. I'm telling you, Salosib Semelinkyata hits different. Alright, buddy. Pack your pajamas, you're done. See how it's only 2 AM really. Where'd you collect it from, bro? Just go to like the Amazon forest. You'll find it there, I promise you. Response. Alright. STD and line. Alright, so if it does work, if the curl easy perform does work, then we'll output the response, which is the JSON, I believe. And then lastly, we'll do curl easy cleanup. And I gotta say, I did learn something new, actually, just now. I didn't know that you could just place this, I didn't know you could place code on the next line without the brackets. I know it only works for one line, right? Until it reaches the semicolon. But I thought it had to be like this. But apparently not, so that's pretty cool. I learned something new today. Okay. let's do this. I didn't mean to do that. Right. Let's see. If it gives me JSON, then I can just pass it next. Oh, fuck. Failed URL using bad, illegal format or missing URL. Well, I promise you, we are not missing any URL. But for your sake, I'll do it this way. Okay. You want to feel the magic yourself. Your IPS monitor is begging to burn and low. Cool. Alright, it worked. So we have successfully retrieved the JSON file. We're making progress. We are making progress. Because I couldn't do that beforehand. Alright then, bro. So we got for IBM the data. Pretty nice. I don't believe it's up to date though. It only comes until yesterday. 24 daily, right? Maybe up. So has the day ended yet? This is America. In America, let's see. What time is it in America? Luckily, I'm proud user of a VA panel. You guys are actually waffling. London plus 5 hours. That can't be true. America's behind London. It's 7 PM in London, in America. Alright then. Okay, cool man. It works. It works. Alright, now what I can do is I'll write all of this to a file, or maybe I'll format it here, and then I'll write it to a file, and then I'll make another project for specifically the Raylib GUI. But yeah, now I need to get a parser, right? So how do I parse the JSON that I got? Well, I'm gonna have to include json.hppp. Alright, you want a library, yeah? Oh, wait a second. Wait, what? 5,000 kilobits? Wait a second. Since when did the stream get so good? Something weird is going on. That is not good. That is not good. That is not good. Oh my days. That's 5,000 bit rate. Oh my. I'm sorry for everyone watching. Oh. Right. If we get 3 votes on this poll, then I'll do what Mihail said. I'm just gonna see real quick if it even works. The linker. It does. Okay. So JSON.hpp. Alright then. Using JSON. Ooh, why are we doing that? I don't like that. I do not like that at all. I don't like using statements. Please, one more. You are the third person watching it on the phone. This is not fair. We need democracy. Democracy is not what we do on my stream. Oh, fuck's sake. Oh, shit. I think I just woke up the baby. I think I just woke up the baby. I'm gonna get a beating. I'm about to get a beating, and I've only got 3 viewers. This is so worth it. Do you guys want to know what my what is it called? What my mouse pad is? 3 votes. Good job. So my mouse pad is, you won't be able to see it, but it's this, right? It's a book. What the fuck? Why does my camera keep fucking falling over? Oh my days, that definitely woke up the baby. Man, I'm gonna get a beating. Oh my god. Mikhail's just waffling in the chat. We got Dostoevsky. That's my mouse pad. Without this, my mouse would not work. Alright then, Mikhail. Just, you gotta make sure I don't forget. Because I might forget. Yeah, please, you made the name. Yeah, man. I prefer you yap about programming. Okay, but when you get in Turing Complete, the Xalius also has it now. Well, when I return back to England. You convinced the Xalius, that's crazy. So, boom. Using JSON equals JSON. This might work. Maybe we'll see. Right. Try. So we'll come here. JSON data equals JSON pass response. So why are you waffling at me? This must be followed by. It is a namespace made. Oh, you melon. Yeah? No. Okay, I'm gonna run it now because it might just be a highlighting error. It's not highlighting error. Okay. That's it better now. Right. So we've got formatting and then we do catch const std exception e. JSON pass error. We like professional error handling, don't we? Either or what? So why you? Okay, Come on, man. Come on, man. Okay, so we've got a problem with line 33 then. Oh man. I'm using warm. It has 4 votes now. We have exceeded the goal. You might get a little treat for that, who knows? Fuck me. No, but it doesn't work, you melon. Oh, it doesn't work. It doesn't fucking work. Jason's unidentified. Okay, apparently it does work. N. Lochman. I don't even know where that is on my system, but it works, apparently. Okay, you know what? This is the most surprised I've been this entire night. So I don't even have anything on my system called Nlochman, and somehow this code is working. So, right then, let's see. Work, please. It works, yay. Sick, man. So, and then we're gonna dump it. So, what? Request failed. Actually, I'll put that there because I messed up a little bit. Right. Okay, now let's try this. I forgot to do the actual code, my bad. Okay. You have a Python tag, you good at this. You have a Python tag? Yeah, I'm good at Python. ChatGPT has helped when Googling did not. We pretend to be, I mean, we're all imposter syndrome people. Like, I need to go sleep at some point. So I gotta wake up at like 8 AM or 7 AM. So yeah. You just judge games so you can feel better. Judge me all you want. I don't give a fuck. std cout data.dump 2. We got similar commands in Python as well with the JSON dumping and line. Pretty print. Okie dokie. Let's do this then. I didn't look at the memes yet. Okay, I don't see any difference in the output. If I remove that, will I get an empty console now? I do, I was correct. Okay, I do understand how this code works. Okay then. So now it's a JSON, we can access it through like key value pairs, as we're gonna learn now. So actually let's read it. I think I can only do a maximum of a certain API usage per day. Check the memes now, it was a group effort. Oh, I can't be asked, mate, I can't lie. Can't be asked. So yeah, I need to calm down with the API usage. So why are we on 6.4? Oh no. It just reversed the blaming order. It went from latest to lowest, and now it's going from lowest to latest. That's a bit annoying. Take a break from your API learning and embrace the memes. They'll give you energy. If you say they'll give me energy, I'll look at them. I mean, the whole reason I'm doing this stream is because I had an energy drink, stupidly. And I shouldn't have done that. Let's check out these memes then. I don't see any new memes. It's just the old ones. Are you sure you updated it? I don't think you did. Yeah, I don't see any new memes. So start from there. Oh my god. 23rd of October. Me when I have to fire a single mud because I'm bored. Yeah, I already read all of this. I already saw this when it came out. Cute boys that dress like girls make the best programmers. Yeah. I think I might... Oh my god. I think that's worthy for me to ban my moderator for saying such a thing. But he's a cute boy, to be fair. So start out with a pair of pink striped thigh-high socks and work your way up from there. I think I'm in the wrong class. Which classroom is computer science? This is computer science. Damn. Fitting punishment for Gabe at the moment. Mods add 1 electron to every atom in his body. I got a 5 in physics, in physics GCSE. So don't talk to me about atoms. I don't even know how I got a grade 5. Oh yes, all of your viewers want to see the memes. My viewers are gonna have to hold it in because I do not have the ability to open Discord on my computer, so it sucks too much. Ah yes, energy drink when you're supposed to sleep. Yeah, don't question me. Don't question my my decisions. Okay, so yeah, so we want the latest one. Maybe I might make a graph sort of thing with the GUI. But so I have this. I want to write it to the file, and this part of the app is done. It is done. So include F stream. That's it. I'm not even tired. I could keep going for another 5 hours. So we have this. I wanna put this in its own function. So what happened there? So void. It's not void. What does it return? It returns a JSON. Yeah, so we'll do JSON get data. I'll continue with Pascal case. Alright then. Huh? Okay, and then we'll just call get JSON data. JSON full data, and then we'll do what on earth? Get JSON data. Boom. There it is. And I forgot to return JSON, so we'll do return. Oh, I will do that first, and then return data. So why are you not working then? Data is undent. Fuck you. What the fuck do you mean? Oh my. Oh. So you're telling me because it's not in the try catch block I can't access it? You melon. Fuck. Okay. This is bad. No, it's not. It's fine. I have an idea. So I'm gonna just do that, and then I'll do that. I want to check how the stream's doing. We still good in the bit rate? Wow, this PC is slow. Check the new memes I sent. Nah, man, I'm not. Bruh, this is so bad. You guys can't even see this. Oh my days. This is awful. This is awful. I might just do recordings from now on this computer instead of live streaming. The quality is not even that bad. It just is on my PC. Oh, it's not that bad. Like, you can still read everything. You got nothing better to do. I do have something better to do, my friend. I'll check those memes when I want. So yeah, last thing I gotta do is we got that. We got this. We can do std. Whoa. Std string. Right. Latest date equals data. Time series daily. Boom. So that's the key. Begin returns an iterate to the first element. Okay, cool. Dot key. So I have a feeling this is gonna return the oldest actual date because of the way it's formatted. But we'll see. We'll see. We will see. Let's see, bro, doing the better thing. Copy and pasting ChatGPT. Yeah, man. I mean, I've learned quite a lot this stream, to be fair. If it works, it works. This is for today. Alright. So let's see. Oh, I didn't print it yet, my bad. Let's print. I don't have the new line operator. I don't have the new line operator on my keyboard. And I'll do. Mihail. Oh, I can't be asked, brother. Okay, all good. Oh shit. We got a fatal error. Oh, I'm cooked. What's wrong? What's the problem, man? Okay. So we know what the error is. It's these two strings. So let me find out which one is giving the error. It can't be both of them. That'll be a bit annoying. So it does work. Yeah, and as I said earlier, I was exactly correct what I said 5 minutes ago. It gives us the oldest date, not the current date, because it sorts it from oldest to latest in its formatting. So if I do end here, that should be it. Let's see. Returns an iterator to one past the last element. Well, that's not what we want. We want the last element, not one past it. We'll see though. I think it's gonna give an error. Yeah, that's what I thought, so. Debug assertion failed. That is what I thought, my friend. So if we do maybe like, what parameters does it take? That's not good. Okay, I guess we can just do the other way around. Oldest date, so that now works. But I want the latest date, so not really good. Got the oldest date, and line 54 is what's giving me the error. Let's see. I have a feeling the way the date is formatted is incorrect. Let's see. And this program is running really slow. Like, oh my days. Yeah, that's correct. No, that's correct. All right. So, 4.close. I know what's wrong. So, this key, 4.close. ChatGPT actually made a mistake because here, I'll try to zoom in a little bit. Right. There's a space. There's a little white space here that the ChatGPT didn't notice. So if I just add that space, that will fix it. That will fix the error. So now we try that again. Right. And that should be it now. Wait, I forgot to change the value. Right there, bro. This will work. Yeah, that's right. So I'm guessing this is in dollars because it's American. So let's add a dollar symbol there. And we'll round it. So how do I round? Round. You want a string? How are you gonna round this string, bruv? Demons Josle or Hosle. Welcome to the stream. Not expecting to have anyone near this hour. It's 2 AM, for me at least. How are you doing, demons? And I apologize for the very low bit rate. I'm on an old computer. But the regular streams that I do are on a beast PC. So if you want to stick around for the good streams, I'll be back in England in a few days. But yeah. So I think I need to import math. Or C math, whatever. No, I actually just wrote import, that's crazy. I'm still stuck in my Python mind. After all this time, I still have Python inside of me. C math, not math. C math. Okay, so that should be fixed now. Mihail, please don't scare off my new viewers, man. You're lucky my mods aren't here, man. Because I can't be asked to mute anyone. What's this? Math. C math. How do you round? Why isn't it working? Ah, I know why. It's because this is a string. But we need to do a like conversion. So what is it? STD string to double. Let's see. STD STOD string to double. Okay, seems like it worked. Alright. Let's do that. And I forgot to set the decimal place position in the round. Let's see. It just rounds it to a full dollar, which is not what we want. Does it take 2 parameters? No, it doesn't. Okay, not good. Not good. I just want round then, it seems. I'll just leave it as is. It's a bit ugly, but of course I forgot the last parenthesis. Of course I did, bruv. Okay. Did I just close the file? Crazy. Crazy, man. So that should be it, yeah. Oh, it's 4 decimal places. That's fine. I'll just leave it as is. Sorry, man. How do we get the next one? Oldest date dot next. Is that how it works? No, because that's a string. Okay. Next. So it returned an iterator. Dot begin returns an iterator. But how do I get the next value key? Returns the key of an object iterator. Alright then. And then here we can maybe check out some more. End. Front. What's that? I'm just trying to get the last element. It might be back. So you're complaining now. It returns. What the hell kind of data type is that? I cannot read those error messages, man. What did I just click? The current operator is not overloaded. What does that even mean? But yeah, I'm gonna end the stream. I've been streaming for 2 hours. That's pretty good. That's pretty good, man. I'm literally only streaming because of that energy drink I drank. I think it said can't convert from car star to a string. Yeah, what am I supposed to do about that? You just go back, but Gabe. Oh, hello, catfish. I was wondering if you were staying here the entire time, being quiet. Hello, man. But yeah. I mean, I'm not sure how I'd do it. No, I was watching videos about how structs assign their members to memory. Nice. Okay, now you're complaining. No constructor converts const car to whatever the hell that is. I mean, it returns an iterator. But what is all this? Operator plus adds to the iterator. Ah. Okay. So I think this operator stuff is what helps. Returns the value of an iterator. Returns the key of an object iterator. Ah, alright. Returns the reference. So if I do that, then operator plus. Yo, I've got no clue what operator plus is. A pointer to a bound function may only be used to call a function. Right. I think the best thing I can do is make it auto. Then it should work. Yeah, that's it. That's it. So now that I've made it auto, I got to figure out a different way of doing this stuff. Okay, if this works, I'm a genius. It's not gonna work though. Yeah, debug error. Abort has been called. That's crazy. No. This guy's genius. I know, right? And then I do oldest. I should really rename that. Yeah, I will. Iterator. Dot operator plus. So why doesn't that work? A pointer to a bound function may only be used to call a function. Oh. Maybe it's a function like that. Too few arguments. Ah, wait. So operator plus is... it's a function. Alright, let's see. Alright, can you tell me what it is? Adds to an iterator. 1. Oh, it worked. You've seen this vids on Instagram. My friend, I do not use Instagram. I do not use social media. I don't think you use operator. Operator symbols like boom boom boom. Yeah, well, it works. So, alright, let's see if this works. Let's see. Oh my. Didn't work. Did not work. I just wanna know. I mean, it's an iterator. How am I supposed to get the next item in an iterator? Okay, maybe you do use operator. I mean, you definitely do use operator plus because it's there for a reason. But how? Fuck, this is so annoying. This is so annoying. Watch it be useless, all of this. This language is killing me. Or does it? Oh my. Got some manipulators in the chat, man. What? This thing just gave up. Blood just gave up. XHR on error. Copilot doesn't even want to help me anymore. This is how cooked I am. Operator plus plus. If this works, I'm actually going to kiss you. Increment iterate using the incremental operator, which is plus plus. Yeah, but it's not a number, so how can you just do plus plus? That doesn't make sense. Plus plus only works with numbers. Okay, apparently it doesn't. Wait, is that increments the day? Okay, yeah. So we do. So the format is year, month, day. Cool. That's fine. That's fine. Easy, easy, easy. It works. You understand that you can overload what operators do for anything in C++? No, I don't. No. Oh shit. Mihail, I'm actually gonna ban you. I'm actually gonna ban this guy from the stream, man. It's an operator. Yeah. I mean, I don't know how to overload operators, but I understand that theoretically you can do it. I've heard of operator. I did it. I mean, some people did come on the stream and teach me about it, but I forgot how it works. Anyway, I wanted to basically write this in a file, right? But wait, one sec. I don't want to use auto. What does it return? Iterator. So if I do JSON iterator, is that gonna work? Because I don't like using auto. I hope it does. No way it worked. I'm so smart. It worked. Damn. Alright then. You should probably do a stream learning about overloading functions and operators then. I will do a stream about everything in this language at some point. Time is our enemy, unfortunately. There's nothing I can do but be patient. Same goes for everyone and everything. So you know how you had the little context pop up and it said operator plus, operator, etc. That is IntelliSense showing you what the data type has to offer for you to use, yeah. Check memes. How about you check this ban which I'm going to give you. You're done for. Man. So. Nah, that's not gonna work. You're proud of my work. You're proud of your work. Don't delete anything, man. Check dienda. What does dienda mean? I don't know what that means, brother. I don't know what that means. Okay, so that should fix the code there. So we got the key, so now that works. And then what is check dienda? I don't know what that means, man. I think this is the worst stream I've ever done in my life. Although, I did say that last stream. So I should probably stop saying that. So, right, let's check this out. I need formatting. Okay, so we've got those 2 dates, and then got the date and the close price for that date. So what I'm gonna do is, what I'm doing now isn't actually necessary. I'm just doing it for practicing. Do you know what dienda is now? No. I asked you what dienda meant and I never got an answer. So for int I'll do this like 100 times. I is, oh, does the iterator have a length? No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. Len? No, it doesn't. Guys, listen, let's just say 100 days. We'll do 100 days comparison. Oh, wait. I have an idea. Wait. Catfish81 just taught me something really good. Because then now I can just do end. I can write end here, and then just do iterator minus minus. And then I can do it in descending order from the top. Oh, that is sick. Okay. Right. That's what we're going to do now. That is what I'm going to do. That is what's going to happen. So, do minus minus instead. And that's the first thing I'm going to do because it starts off at the end +1 for some reason. So, bro, how on earth we got 8 viewers? I thought Mihail would scare all of them off. Alright then, so. Oh shit. Cannot dereference end map set iterator. Bruh. At the end. This guy just isn't gonna tell me what dienda means. I'll just search it up myself. Now you put the views here. That's such cap. Dienda is a song by Sting. This guy, man. He's not telling me. Dienda who get the Dienda mug. Oh my god. This doesn't have any. That's how much aura we got. This don't make any sense, man. Check if you have a function called last. Right. No. No, I cannot find one called last. Oh, that's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. I don't know why I'm running it. It's gonna give me an error. Just get over it with it. Alright. I'll just do. Or is it? Let me check the methods again. Back, right? Back. I access the last element. Ah, fucking cunt. Oh my days. I could have just done back. Oh, you melon. Oh. are you complaining? Right. I meant big one. Bruv, why are you complaining? Last day. Ah, wait, my bad. I meant to do last date. Okay, we're all good now. So we can just do dot back. If I would have known that, I would have made my life so much easier. Alright, so now we're starting from the back. This should work. Fuck. I just knocked my mic over. Hopefully that didn't break anything. I'll just change that to plus plus. That will fix it. Okay, it worked. Okay, it worked until a certain point. I think we got to the end of the list, maybe. All of these prices are the same. Oh my god. These prices are all the same. 265. Ah, well, I know why. Fucking cunt. It's because clothes price is the same thingy. It's the same type. It's the same value every time. So my guess is you have to get the size of the structure you're iterating through, then make the iterator point to first plus size, then increment down. Yeah, I didn't know how to get the length, so I tried using length, but you're saying there's a size function. I didn't know about that. A lot of C++ learning is learning what data types are for and how you can access them. And what data type are you iterating through? It's just JSON, yeah. It's JSON. We can censor the word JSON if it helps anyone in the stream feel better. Alright then, so iterator.key. Okay, so now this should give us a different value each time, and it will, because I say it will. It's still gonna give us an error, that's fine. But I cared that it's giving us a different dollar value each time, which it is. So we've got 285, 10 to, yeah, okay. So we got until the last one. I just made the for loop too big. That's why reference manual is very helpful. Yeah. It really depends on whatever data type you use as to what the functions are called. It varies depending on the type. Yeah. Alright. So you can see there's in this long history that it's going up really. So started off at about 265 and ended off at 285. So in 4 months the stock price went up £20 to $20 in 4 months. That is awful. That is awful. We're making progress though. We are making progress. Alright, so we can't actually use raylib. For anyone that's new in the stream, we can't use raylib here. Awful. Oh shit. Awful went up. What went up? What's awful? I don't remember what I said, so you're gonna have to remind me. Alright. Yeah, oh, I remember what I said now, yeah. So yeah, it did go up, but $20 for for a 4 month, for 4 months, that is really bad. That is really bad. Are you using Raylib for UI? Yes. I'm using Raylib for UI because that's the only UI library that I know how to use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write it to an external text file, the JSON, and then I will access it in another project, in a separate project, with Raylib. So yeah. So this for loop that I'm writing here, I'm going to just delete it afterwards because I don't need it in this project. So full iterator.size. No, but how do I get the size though? It's almost 10% rise in value in it, like 4 months. That's pretty good. Well, let me check. I mean, the S&P 500 has been very good recently. I think that the S&P 500 went up by like 11%. Am I waffling? Wait a second. Yes, in the past like month, right, it went up 2%. Okay. Past year 16%. So 17%. Alright. I want to see the month, like past 3 months. I'm just getting flashbangs right now, man. I can't watch this. Today's Friday. Why hasn't it closed yet? It should be on close at the 25th of October. It's Friday today, isn't it? I swear it's Friday today. Is it? Oh my gosh. Oh wait, it's Saturday. Wait, no, I'm really confused. Okay, alright. So interval, we want past 3 months, right? So, bro, I said 3 months, not 10 billion years. So, yeah, for me it's Saturday. It's 2 a.m. for you. It's 3 a.m. for me. It's Saturday for all of us. Which time zone does the market close off? Because work off. It's the English one. So London time. London is 2 hours behind Romania, so it's 1 a.m. there. So it closed already ages ago. Yesterday, 5 p.m. It's open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Obviously not on weekends. But all I can say is that S&P 500 Vanguard has been very good recently, like really good. And I know because I've got investments in it. I think just today went up 2%. Okay then. I think it would be better if I do start from the back. Oh, but that's not an iterator at that point. Oh man. How to find the size of a JSON iterator C++. Be patient. Where is the dot size, you melon? It's not there. It's not fucking there. Bro. That's not gonna work. Don't know how to get the size of it. Right, that's it. I'm gonna do it, but people can get mad at me. How can I get this the length size of this? This guy's using my vocabulary, man. That's stealing my vocabulary. ChatGPT died. I hit the free plan. No, I hit the free plan limit. Fuck. Let's see if this guy knows what we're doing. What do you mean it doesn't have a size method? I just googled it, it says it did. Calculate short for calculator. Bro, I didn't know that. Okay, that's good then. So we can get the size of it by doing, so size is Well, it's not going to be a size T. It's going to be an int, really. It's not going to be that long. Fucking hell. Ah, so that's how you do it. That's how you do it. Okay, now this should hopefully not give us an error. This should be good. Let's see. Fuck. Okay, I think it's because it's 0 indexed, so if I do a -1, that should be the fix. If not, then the dot size method, it doesn't work. Oh, it does work. Okay, right. So clearly I'm quite good. It works. Right, all good. So the application fully works now, so far. Perfectly works as intended. That's good then. That is good. I don't need to do this stuff. I don't know, I'm printing out the same thing twice. Yeah, so that gets the price. Right. I should put the iterator first. Don't know why I did that. I've got an idea. Listen to this. Oh, I need to end this poll. Alright, my bad. Right, put it in the chat then. Damn, we've got more yes than no. That's crazy. Right, everyone vote in the poll right now. Everyone right now vote in the poll. So, yeah, that should be good. I don't need you anymore, really. So yeah. Okay, let's try that again. But I don't know why this C++ application is so slow. Like it's faster to load up Modern Warfare 2 than this. Oh, it just gave us a new price. I swear we did not have $307 beforehand. What? Am I tripping? We never had $307. What is going on? I swear we never had that. Let me check the stream, bro. What? We never had that. I'm tripping out so hard. Can anyone else advocate for my tripping out? Or have I just got robots in the chat? Okay. But yeah. Are you pulling JSON data from the net? Yes. I am pulling JSON data from, what is it? From this URL, alphavantage.co, and I'm using my API key. I don't care if anyone uses it. I'll just get another one. Really, I mean, you gotta be kind of sad if you're using my API. I did not promise anything, my friend. But yeah. So what I want to do now is just write to the file. Because everything I did here was not needed. Right, so what was it? OF stream, I think. IF stream. I think it's OF, right? File. And then .json. Why isn't this working? I don't know what the end that means. Sorry, I meant to do file. I'm really tired right now. And then file.close. Okay, so that should be it now. Yeah. So I can minimize that there. Now, this is my full code. Two and a half hours stream just to pull a JSON file from API and save it to a file. Exactly, man. And I learned a lot from it, so I'm grateful. Alright, let's see. Okay, now let's see, did it write to the file? It did. Very good, very good. Very good, my friend. What the fuck? What the fuck is this bullshit? This looks ugly. This looks so ugly, man. Whoa. Whoa. Bruh. Well, it works. It works. You know what's really weird? It put it in the root directory instead of in the source directory where the actual code file is. Okay, so that's done now. Now I'm gonna make another, where is it? Add new project. The actual GUI. The location. Oh, the location is not there. It's gonna be, well, I guess, yeah, here. Why are we there? We'll put it in here. Now I think this is gonna mess up the linking. What's still going? Catfish. I can't tell if you're surprised or annoyed. Okay. Now I just need to check if I do a main.py. name main.cpp. Will it work? So I meant to do okay, let's see if this works. So I want to just run this project. Don't give me an error, please. Come on, man. Fuck. It's not gonna work. Yeah. Oh, fuck's sake. The API. Oh, I gotta get a new API key. Bro thinks he's F Society. What have I done that makes me think that makes me believe I'm F Society? What kind of waffle is coming up from your brain, bruv? That's not gonna work. Let's just delete this project. Pretend it never happened. Oh, wait a second. Yeah, so this is all done now. Yes, save. Right. No shit. Didn't mean to do that. What? What? What the fuck is going on? What the fuck is going on? Full. Bruh. What are you doing, mate? Just drag that into there. How hard is that? Oh my. Okay. And then in here I will. When you're gonna check the memes, I'll check the memes and when I can be asked. Can I make this? Oh. It's almost breakfast time. Gabe just gonna keep coding right on through. Well, maybe. Is that a problem? If it is, oh yeah. If it is, that's too bad. Megan, I don't think this is gonna work. The actual GUI. Such beautiful names I've given myself. What? Why is it invalid? There it is. Okay. Right. Then we do okay. Well, I meant to do main. Okay. Where's the exe file? Where is it? I cannot find it. We only got object files. I'm gonna check the memes in a minute. If you keep harassing, the more you ask, the less I'm gonna do it. Where is this? I'll just do this then. Please work. No, that is not gonna work. Fuck. Why not? Come on, man. I just want to build this. The actual, yes. Run. Project only, build only this. Compile. Okay. Now this might have given us the actual exe. No, it didn't. It didn't. Come on, man. It succeeded. I just want to build this file and run it. It's not letting me. I don't need to open raylib.lib because I didn't even reference it, man. I don't need raylib.lib. Mihail, tell him to keep coding, then he'll do the opposite. I already told everyone, if you want me to check the memes, be quiet about it. It's logical and simple, my friend. Or if you want, you could actually help me. You could actually help me do what I'm trying to do. The faster I get this done, the faster I can check memes. And we've got 7 people watching. Crazy. Right. I know what I need to do. I don't want to do this, but I'm going to have to. Oh, fuck off. Why has this happened then? Oh my. I don't have raylib. I don't need raylib. Cannot open file raylib.lib. I don't need raylib. I don't even... It's commented out. I don't need it. I don't need your bloody raylib. What exactly are you trying to do? I'm trying to just make a new project and run it. Okay, I'm actually getting an error that I've never gotten before. What? I don't need raylib. I don't need raylib. I'm gonna delete all of these dependencies. That will fix it. That will fix it. Come on then. Let's do this. Can you be done? That can be done by tomorrow. Tomorrow? Okay, anyways. Oh, fuck. Oh, okay. Right. So I'm gonna make a new API real quick, right? I need a new API. Let's just get a new one then. Okay. Calm down. Right, I've got my new API key. Now I can use my API key here. I'm telling you this because we don't understand the build tools enough. I've been harping on about this since the beginning of watching you. Same mistake I made for 15 years. Well, look, this computer isn't even good enough for CMake or whatever you said beforehand. So there's nothing I can do about it now. Okay, right. So that will fix it now. We're all good. What? But this is a new API key. What the fuck? What? I just made a new one. What? This don't make sense. Maybe they know it's me. Just reusing information. That's better. Your reward is that you're not getting banned. Fuck. What do you mean? I just made the new API key. What? This is a scam. This is a scam. Okay. Well, I'll do that tomorrow. Anyways, we know it works, so yeah. I know what I'm doing from now on. Yeah, we got that. It's written to the file. And I'll just make a new project. Stay on your promise. You don't have to worry about me not keeping my promise. Wait a fucking second. When did I promise anything? Please watch back the entire stream. The only thing I have promised is what I'm about to promise now, is that I promise I've never promised anything. In this entire stream, I've never promised anything, so you're proper waffling. That's cap. Okay, so Go to bed if you want original. I'm not stopping you. You guys go to bed if you want. Stay, leave. Your choice. What next? Display the data in a nice way. Using relib. And that's it. That's it. Alright. Programming is finished for today's stream. I can open up Discord now. Oh, I don't even have Discord. Wait. Oh, Jamie. Hello, Jamie. I didn't know we had Jamie in the chat. Where is he? I'm just gonna let my mod sort this out. Although my mods are fanboys, so what can I say? They're actual goon baits. What the fuck is that word? That's crazy. Oh, this is disgusting, man. I'm actually gonna delete my Discord server at some point.
Shorts abaixo do joelho, não use mais isso. Super deselegoso, fica mais
What the fuck? Looks female enough. This is so disgusting. This is so. What? You can see me smiling. You can see my pearly whites through the camera. This is not funny. Oh my god. Bro, why am I getting more viewers in the stream when I'm about to end it and I'm also not even programming anymore? When I finished the programming part, that's when people actually just started joining. That's crazy. If anyone wants to see actual coding, just go backwards in the stream. Why does bro play video games? This is not funny. That is so true. They may call you racist, but they shall never call you a liar. Oh my days. Jamie, what you doing? Why are there still 8 people in the stream, man? What the hell? That is mad. The goal of censorship is not to stop the truth from being spoken, but to stop the truth from being heard, lest the captives of devils escape. Bro, what? It's the memes attract viewers. I hope not. Where does Brooke keep getting these W codes from? Look at this handsome man. Damn. What are these memes everyone wants checked? Alright. Well, that's enough of that. Oh my days, I just got flashbanged. Alright. I mean, we got some people saying no, so that's pretty good. Now to your good night kiss. Fuck me. My audience, man. The type of people I attract is mad. Anyways. Mwah. Good night. Good night, everyone. It's currently 3 a.m. You got the kiss. Oh my god. Alright. This chat is crazy, man. Alright, good night, everyone. Peace.